Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure your device is ready, connected to Wi-Fi, signed into the correct Google account, and running the Google Home or Assistant app. Once you open the app, tap the plus or device icon to add a new device and follow prompts. This creates the connection. Make sure location and microphone permissions are allowed, because Google Assistant uses them to discover devices and provide local results. If you hit a permissions prompt, accept it to continue the setup flow. Next, configure how the assistant recognizes and responds to you. Enable voice match so it recognizes your voice and provides personalized info. Select the language and choose an assistant voice you prefer. Then link services. Add your calendar, music and streaming accounts, and smart home devices so voice commands work seamlessly. Make sure routines and default services are set. This saves having to specify apps every time. Once done, test a simple command like, "Hey Google, what's my schedule?" To verify personalization is act. To finish, run practical tests. Set an alarm, ask to call a contact, and control a smart light so you confirm end-to-end functionality. Make sure default playback and calling devices are correct. If responses are inconsistent, reduce background noise and adjust microphone sensitivity in device settings. Retrain voice match if it misidentifies you. Should problems persist, restart the speaker or phone, unlink and relink the Google account, and then rerun voice match. This resolves most lingering configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.